In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Bitwarden from saving passwords. Before you flip any switches, it helps to quickly decide what you need from your password workflow. I'll walk you through a short set of questions that will guide whether you should fully disable Bitwarden's save prompts, keep them on, or use a more selective manual approach to avoid clutter and duplicates. First, consider whether you already use services from the Proton ecosystem, like secure email or a VPN. If you do, you might prefer keeping everything under one privacy umbrella. In that case, turning off Bitwarden's password-saving prompts can prevent double pop-ups and duplicated entries while you rely on your other tool. If you plan to keep Bitwarden as your main manager, you can still reduce friction by allowing only the manager you use daily to handle save prompts, and silencing the other to avoid conflicts. Next, think about whether your priority is the cheapest option. If keeping costs down is your main concern, it often makes sense to keep a single manager and streamline it rather than juggle multiple tools. With that in mind, you might opt to minimize automatic capture so that passwords are added intentionally only when you need them. This cuts down on noise in your vault and helps you avoid hitting plan limits with entries you don't actually want to store. Now ask yourself if you need advanced sharing or family or team features. If you share credentials with a partner or a small team, automatic saving can create messy duplicates or put items in the wrong place. Turning off autosave prompts encourages a review-first approach. You sign in, confirm the item is accurate, and then deliberately add it where it belongs. This keeps shared collections tidy and permissions predictable. Finally, decide whether you want email aliases and other privacy extras as part of your login routine. If you use aliases for different sites, automatic capture can fill your vault with near duplicates tied to unique addresses. Disabling or limiting autosave gives you more control, so each login you do keep is clean, labeled clearly, and aligned with your privacy strategy. Once you've worked through these questions, you'll know whether to disable Bitwarden's save prompts entirely, leave them on, or switch to manual saves only. Apply that choice in your Bitwarden app or browser extension settings so your day-to-day sign-ins match your goals.